So we were going to add the front wheels to the Milwaukee Packout rolling box. No one online is showing this video, so we're going to show how you take the rail out, and all you need to do is get the bottom black snap-in portion to be free, and then the whole rail slides out. So to do that, we're going to drill it so that we can put a self-tapping button head screw on it. That way we can take it on and off again when we want to take the wheels off. So we're going to go ahead and drill it. Okay, you just drill through, and then you slide the bottom part down, and then you go ahead and add the additions to the wheels kit. Then slide right over the rails, and then you just put the rail all the way back in place. And you snap in the black piece. And then you go ahead and take your self-tapper, no longer than an inch.
And I'll get the Loctite?
Yeah, we'll definitely put Loctite on it.
Okay. I'll go get the Loctite.
Well, it comes in. Put on the red Loctite. You don't want to do too much, just enough to hold it. And you just want to take the little set screws and put some Loctite on it and set it. Now you can have the wheels so that your full-on Packout rolls evenly, and you can still open your drawer. Yeah, it rolls perfect. Highly recommend. And then drawer opens perfect, fully able to open and close without the wheels being in the way. So absolutely recommend.